Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome to all of you Learn English with Z. Dear students, today we are going to start a topic. The topic is what is grammar. आप लोगों ने बहुत से लोगों से सुना होगा मेरी ग्रामर कमज़ोर है, मेरी ग्रामर वीक है, मैं इसलिए लैंग्वेज नहीं बोल पा रहा हूँ, मैं इसलिए नहीं बोल सकता हूँ क्योंकि मेरी ग्रामर कमज़ोर है. इवन दो इफ़ यू आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन टू नंबर ऑफ टीचर्स, नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हु आर द स्टूडेंट of learning a second language, they do not know what is meant by grammar. Have you any idea what is meant by grammar? Even though we know that all the languages are based on the grammar, the grammar is the basic pillar of the language. Let's we define. Grammar is a set of rules and regulation. What is grammar? It is the set of rules and regulation. The next thing is it deals with sentence structure. If you define it according to the dictionary, according to the well-known books, grammar is a set of rules and regulation on which the language of building stand. Or grammar deals with sentence structure. Now you got the point कि ग्रामर क्या चीज़ होती है. ग्रामर कवायद और ज़वाबित का एक ऐसा मजमूआ होता है जिसके ऊपर ज़ुबान की जो बुनियाद है वो या ज़ुबान जो होती है वो खड़ी होती है. इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट इंग्लिश, इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट उर्दू, इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट हिंदी, इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट एनी लैंग्वेज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, all the languages of the world based on the grammar. Even though if I talk about the present time, for example, if I said I am teaching, I am playing the cricket, I am playing the football, here the main role of this sentence, the main role of is the grammar. Grammar tells us when and where and what I am playing. Now you got the point. Okay, here is some other examples like Ali plays football. You can see this sentence, Ali cricket khelta hai. In this sentence, if I said football plays Ali, here have you got the point. यहाँ पर इसकी टोटली स्ट्रक्चर जो है, टोटली जो मीनिंग है वो तब्दील हो चुका है. दिस इज द मेन पार्ट एंड दिस इज द मेन फोकस ऑफ द ग्रामर. Ali plays cricket, Ali plays football, Ali plays hockey, Ali plays badminton. All these are the according to the rules. But if I said plays Ali football, now it is again the violation of the rules. Now you got the point. So we have learned that grammar is the set of rules and regulation on which the building of language stand. And as we know that all the languages of the world based on the grammar. If we talk about Pashto, if we talk about Urdu, if we talk about Hindi, if we talk about English, if we talk about Arabic, all the languages are based on grammar. If there is no grammar, then there is no language. So that's why grammar is the set of rules and regulation. Now you got the point. What is meant by grammar? Grammar is a set of rules and regulation. Here is another sentence. Hamza went market. Here in this sentence you can see that Hamza went market. Hamza market गया. In the first sentence हमने बोला अली क्रिकेट खेलता है, अली फुटबॉल खेलता है, अली बैडमिंटन खेलता है. यहाँ पे हमने कहा हमजा मार्केट गया. नाउ यू गॉट द पॉइंट. यहाँ पर दो डिफरेंसेस हमारे पास आए हैं. एक में हमने कहा प्रेजेंट टाइम को शो किया, एक में हमने पास्ट को शो किया. सो ये दो हमारे पास जो चेंजेस हैं, जो डिफरेंशिएशंस हैं, इट इज़ जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्रामर. और यहाँ पे ग्रामर ही हमें इंडिकेट कर रही है कि कब अली खेलता है और हमजा कब मार्केट गया. लुक एट द थर्ड वन. Jacqueline will wash the clothes. Another one is Jacqueline will wash the clothes. Jacqueline कपड़ों को धोएगी. Now you got the point. Here is the indication and here is the point of the future. Here is the point for the upcoming time. So that's why here we can say that grammar deals with the sentence structure. Ali plays cricket. इसमें आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर हमारा प्रेजेंट टाइम को शो किया जा रहा है. हमजा वेंट मार्केट, यहाँ पे हमारा पास्ट को शो किया जा रहा है. जैकलीन वेंट विल वॉश द क्लॉथ्स, जैकलीन कपड़ों को धोएगी, ये हमारे मुस्तकबिल को शो किया जा रहा है. इट इज़ जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्रामर. And in the grammar we will study and we will discuss number of things. Here is the sentence structure, first of all the sentence and then its structure and then its types according to function and according to structure, and then the parts of speech. All these things are in the grammar. So the head term is grammar and all the other things and all the other parts are their subtypes or their subterms. Now you got the point. I hope you have understand today's lecture, today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Wish you a nice day. Allah Hafiz.